Hello, welcome back to another video tutorial here at Geekatplay Studios. My name is Gary Miller. This tutorial follows on the heels of my earlier one, which is assigning multiple textures to a single object here in Cinema 4D. And now we're getting down to the real reason why I needed to take two objects and create one out of them while still being able to assign more than one texture to that object. And that is because now that this is one object, I can distort it, I can bend it, I can make it look like a crushed can. If this were two objects, two separate objects, it would be difficult for me to uniformly crush this can so that the outside and the inside were both the same. But now that I've got one object, I'm in business, and I can start deforming it. Let me get rid of my extra points. Optimize. Okay, there we are. Alright, so I've got my can. What I want to do is I'm just going to click on my edge tool here and say select that edge right there. What I want to do is I want to set a soft selection for this, so I will come up here and click on my selection tool. Under options, I want to come over here to mode and set soft selection, which will turn off my texture, which is actually a good thing because now I can see the radial effect that the soft selection tool is giving me. Let me move this. Oh, I'll just close that out. There we are. What I want to do is I'm going to come down here to bell. I want to use a bell, sort of a bell curve. I want to reduce the width of this a little bit. The strength, I'll leave the strength all the way up at 100. And now I can come in here and crush the can, and the inside and the outside both move in perfect unison. So I will select these right there. I think I will increase the radius a little bit, and let's give a little bit of a twist to this. Space bar to come back to my previous tool, and I'll just drag this down a little bit and select those and bend these up a little bit and bring them in. Okay, so let me click off of that, and now we're getting a nice dented can, and the inside and the outside both move perfectly together. And notice, if you're looking at the inside, the outside mesh is not poking through on the inside, and the inside mesh is not poking through on the outside. Everything works together perfectly as it should, and that's only because I figured out how to join them both together while still keeping and retaining their respective textures assigned to certain polygons. So that's it for this Cinema 4D tutorial here at Geekatplay Studios. My name's Gary Miller. Have a good day.